Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Watson and today I'm making a quick video to let you know that I am starting a 7-day botanical drawing challenge on New Year's Day, January 1st, 2026. You can take part in the challenge if you are a non-member or member of the Watercolor Garden. I will be posting the drawings here on YouTube in the community post area as well as in the Watercolor Garden community. And basically I'll be taking a picture of my pencil drawing and then the inked drawing and writing a little bit about the drawing if I have time. The point of this challenge is just to do something together, motivate each other to practice drawing, and not to have to take too much time so that it's very feasible to participate. This is my Field Notes Nature Journal, and I call it my Field Notes Nature Journal because I have my featured native plant journal, which is the same as this, but just a nice big page of a featured plant. Whereas this one is a little bit more casual, and everything I do in this journal, I draw by hand. Sometimes I do transfer my drawings for the featured native plant series, which is more of like a bit more of a formal botanical painting. So these are just usually notes that I might start in the field, but I usually end up just drawing here at my kitchen table while my son is running amok. So it's something that's casual and I just sort of comes together as I create it. And so I want to encourage everybody else to kick off the new year by doing something like that and realizing you can fit it into your life no matter what. I do not have a lot of time these days. I work a day job, I go to university, and I run my YouTube channel and the Watercolor Garden and have a 2-year-old. So this is going to be something that everybody can do. If you'd like more information on this botanical drawing challenge, then check the link in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on New Year's Day for the drawing challenge. If you'd like more inspiration on botanical drawing, then check out this video right here. I think you'll really enjoy it.